Just as a quickie selfie reminder, sauce making involves the use of sodium hydroxide or lye, which can burn your skin and permanently damage your eyes. So be sure to learn and follow lye-safe handle procedure during the entire sauce making process, even while cleaning up. You can buy the products on Instagram store on.taa. Remember to follow my channel and like it. Your support is my bigger motivation. Velvety fruit is a plant of Chinese medicine. The white fruit of Baesia scoparia. Velvety fruit is a water-soaking wetting drug. According to the theory of Chinese medicine, the medicine tastes are bitter and cold. Velvety fruit has the effects of cleaning damp heat and facilitating urination, mainly chief symptoms as a damp heat of the bladder, unfaithful urination, and skin-shipping, but the effect is relatively painful. Belvedere fruit has the effects of cleaning, damp heat, and anti-itching, mainly shivering symptoms as skin red, sores, and itching. Who is not suitable for taking Belvedere fruit? People who are allergic to the Belvedere fruit or its ingredients. If there is no damp heat inside, avoid taking the Belvedere fruit. People with frequent urination should avoid taking the Belvedere fruit. Information is for reference only. If you have any question, please check with a registered Chinese medicine practitioner advice. Thank you to watch my video.